Good morning, my friends. Today we are going to play a subtraction game. But before we can start our game, we have to remind our brains, what does it mean to subtract? So right here I see 8 minus 2 equals what? And we know that subtract means take away. Subtract means take away. I use a minus sign. Subtract means take away. So when we see minus, that means, or tells our brains, that we are taking away. So we have 8. Oh, we start off with 8 and we're taking away 2. The equals then reminds our brains of what? It reminds our brains of how many we have left. So if I were to draw a picture, I could draw 8 circles. Okay? And then it says take away 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? I count. I can circle and see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer would be 6. What we're going to do, though, today is we are going to play subtraction bowling. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper. I'm using a board instead, and something to write with, some sort of ball, and some cups. You can pick how many cups you want to use. How many did I use? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's really going to be your first step, boys and girls, is to count how many cups you have all together. Because when we subtract, it's the opposite of adding. And so we start off with how many we've all together. So each time we write a number sentence, they're always going to start, at least when you're playing with me, with 6. If you choose to have more cups than that or less cups than that, your number will be different. Okay, so 6, take away. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my ball. And however many I knock over, I'm going to put in this next place. And then how many are left, I put as my answer, okay? So roll the ball. Here we go. Okay, so let's look. So I knocked down 1, 2 cups. So we're going to write 2. So take away or minus 2 equals, well, how many do I have left still standing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's try another. So 6, take away. All right, let's see how many I knock over this time. Ooh, I knocked out a few more. So this time, let's see. 1, 2, 3 is how many I knocked over. So we would write 3. Equals, the brain tells me how many do I have left still standing. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Hey, this is kind of cool. So 6, take away 3 equals 3. That reminds me of our doubles fact going the opposite way. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. Pretty awesome. All right, so let's try another one together. So 6, take away. All right, grab my ball. Let's see. Oh, I missed. So how many did I take away? How many fell over? Absolutely none, right? 0. So 6, take away 0 equals, again, what does that tell our brains? To do what? You're exactly right. Count how many are still standing up. So we didn't lose any, none fall down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 0 equals 6. And the reason why that makes sense, boys and girls, is you can kind of read it like this. 6, take away nothing, is still 6, right? All right, let's do one last one together. Okay, grab the ball. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so 6, take away how many I knock over? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write 4. Equals, how many do I have left standing? 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Look at all these different ways I found that we could subtract from 6. Pretty cool. Try this game out with your family at home.